Hey guys, we're at the ski resort and it's a really nice day out. It's snowing right now, actually, and we're in for lunch. And right now it's about noon, so yeah, I just wanted to fill you in on stuff. And yeah, on skiing, I'm gonna post some videos of that. I have them on my laptop right now. It's downloading from my GoPro, and once that is finished downloading, I will get that into my iPhone and post that to YouTube and stuff. So I know not a lot of you watch this vlogging stuff. Yeah. Well, I had yesterday when I was filming my YouTube, with my GoPro and stuff. Well, I had frozen eyelashes. When I look back on those videos, I had frozen eyelashes. I had snow in them, because I had played around in the snow before we left and stuff. And I had frozen eyelashes, frozen together. I'm just kidding. But they were like snow and ice, all over up here and all. Yeah. Not very exciting. Tomorrow we're gonna be back home. Every day's gonna be back on track. The school starts tomorrow. I'm sorry, there were only 2 videos of this vlog. Two. 2. Yeah, I don't know, I'll get another vlog up my next trip. I'm going to JP because I'll vlog once a day on that. Yeah, keep you posted. And I'll put up some videos from my skiing vacay. My skiing vacay. That was their stuff. So, peace out.